How to watch Apple TV on LG TV. To watch Apple TV Plus on Smart TV, you will need to install the Apple TV app. So first, navigate to the home view of your TV. And once you're in the home view, find the store of your Smart TV. In LG Smart TV, this is called LG Content Store, and it's this pink icon on the bottom selection bar. Once you're inside the store, search for Apple TV. The search icon can be found from the top right corner. Now, just click the Apple TV icon and the installation will begin. Once the installation is completed, the app will open. You can sign in or sign up. If you already have an account, you can scan the code with the camera of your phone or tablet. Or you can go to link.apple.com and enter the code you can see on the screen. You can also sign in with the remote. If you choose to sign in with your remote, enter your Apple ID account. Since I'm already signed in on my phone, I will try the QR code method. Alright, now I'm signed in and I can start watching. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.